Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunita and you're watching Quirky Clan. So I hope everyone is good today and taking great care of themselves. So on today's video I'm going to show you how to make these concrete candles which are very much in trend these days. So I thought of giving it a try, and before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel. If you like the video, do give a thumbs up, like, share and comment. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, for making my candle I'm using this plastic bottle. If you don't have a mold, you can always use these kind of plastic bottles. Make sure that the plastic should be a little bit thicker in quality so that it can hold the warm wax inside. So now I am cutting it from upper side so that I can fill my wax inside. So these plastic bottles are very much easily available at your home. Also they are very much cheaper as a mold, because in India the molds are very costly and that too they are not of that good quality. So using these plastic bottles are very easy to use. So now I'm using this Vaseline. You can use any kind of lubricant oils or cooking oils. So I'm greasing all inside so that it becomes very easily to unmold the candle. We have greased our bottle. Let's move into concrete mixture. So before starting the concrete work, I am wearing my gloves so that my hands doesn't become dirty. So you can use any kind, any brand, any grade of cement. It doesn't matter whichever quality you are using. Just give it a nice mixture so that there is no granules, no chunks inside, and your concrete mixture becomes very smooth. So I am using little quantity of water. I am not using all the water at once, because if I put the whole water at once, your mixture can be a flowy, and I don't want a flowy consistency. I just want a yogurt, a curd kind of consistency. So make sure that you put water not at once. You should always use the water, put water at little portion. Also, if your concrete mixture is very much flowy and liquid in texture, it will be very difficult to harden, and also it will not be that strong. So keep these things in mind. Friends, my concrete mixture is almost ready to pour inside the plastic bottle. So let's move towards that. Once I poured all the required concrete mixture inside the bottle, I'll just give it a nice tap so that it gets settled inside the bottle, and after that I'll give it a gentle swirl so that it gives a nice design to the candle. Once I will unmold, you will be able to see why I was swirling my candle. Now with the help of anything which can give it a support, I'll put my bottle into a slanting position so that it gives a nice design to it. So after that I'll have to wait for 24 hours or more than that until my concrete mixture doesn't become solid. Hours my concrete mixture is hard, and now it's time to pour my warm wax inside the bottle. So now with the help of a straw, I'm putting a wick inside the bottle. So everybody who watch my video, they know how do I melt my wax, but anybody new to my channel, they can watch my older videos and they can come to know how do I melt my wax. So now I'm using this essential oil. I'm using this Mandarin essential oil. I'm trying to focus it. Yes, it's Mandarin essential oil and it's very pleasant. So if you want a lighter note, you can use few drops of essential oil, and if you want a higher note, you can always use more drops of essential oil. It's all up to you. I'll give it a nice swirl, and then I will pour all the wax inside the concrete mixture, and then I'll have to wait again for 24 hours until the candle is not hard. So let's pour the wax inside the bottle. So my first candle is almost filled, and now I will be waiting for it until it doesn't become hard. So now I'm going to show you my second design. So again I'm putting a wick inside the bottle, and then I will show you what I'm going to do with this. So now for my second candle I'm using lavender essential oil. This is my favorite. So now choice is all up to you. You can use any essential oil of your choice, like rose, like lemongrass, sandalwood. So choice is endless. Guys, my first candle was total solid in color, but for my second candle I'm going to use few colors. So my first layer will be solid, but after that I'm going to use some colors. So I'm using this wax crayon color, which is in lighter blue shade. I'm trying to give it a ombre watery effect. So once my wax inside is semi hard, there is a thin film kind of layer. After that I will be putting my second layer. I'm using this wax crayon color, which is in blue shade, and I will mix it until it's blue in color. See that the wax is blue in color. This is the shade I was trying to achieve. So I'm going to pour this in the first layer. So please note that the first layer is not fully hard, it's semi hard. There is a thin film kind of texture, so it has to be this texture only, then only you will be able to get the ombre watery effect. So now my candle is hard, and now it's time to unmold it. I know this is the most trickiest and the most tedious things to do, but believe me, end results are very beautiful. So you will have to be very careful and very patient while doing this. Finally, I have achieved to unmold my candle. So now I have this sandpaper, so I'll gently rub all over the rough edges and give it a smooth texture to my candle. So guys, my candle is ready. I hope I was able to achieve it. If you like my video, please let me know. If I made any mistakes, please let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So friends, this is it for today. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care.